Registering your phone in Turkey can be a daunting task, but we're here to help you with our step-by-step guide. Once you enter Turkey, you have 120 days to use your phone with one of their mobile carriers. After that, you have to register your phone and pay the out-of-country phone tax to be able to keep using your phone. Otherwise, it will be shut off. There are a few things you need before you can register. You need your residency permit, or ikamet, and you need what is called an E-Devlet şifresi. This is a 4-digit code that you get from the post office. You will need to bring your passport and ask for the E-Devlet şifre. Once you have that, you will log online to E-Devlet and log in with your residency permit or kimlik number. If it is in Turkish, scroll to the bottom to switch to English, then navigate to the button that says telecommunication. Once there, you will scroll down to IMEI, and under that section, you will find IMEI Kaydı, or registration. Click on that and fill out the form with your information. To find your IMEI number, dial *#06# into your phone's keypad and the IMEI number will pop up. Once you have filled everything out, hit the Devam Et button and you will be taken to a payment section. There will be 4 options. 3 of them will only work if you have a Turkish bank account connected to a Turkish credit card. The top option is the one to choose if you are wanting to pay with a foreign credit card. When you choose this option, you will be taken to the government online bill payment website. Follow the instructions and fill out your information and proceed to pay. This website is very finicky, so it may take a few tries. If it doesn't accept your name, try spelling it with the Turkish characters, as sometimes this is how they have saved it in the system. If it still doesn't work, you will have to go in person to the vergi office, which is the tax office nearest to you. Once you have paid, it will take 12 hours for your phone to be registered, after which you can use it with any provider for as long as you want. Check out turkeytravelplanner.com for more tips on how to navigate living and traveling in Turkey.